Hello, I'm Jody Brenner Ginsburg of Ginsburg Law Offices. Today I want to talk to you about the fact that under Georgia law, there are two very, very important things that you need to know. One, you need to report your work injury to your employer within 30 days. You have control over that. You're the one who's reporting it. If you are so devastatedly injured, then make sure your employer is notified by your family member, your best friend, whoever it is that you're communicating with. Super, super important that notification is given. Obviously, if you're taken out of there in an ambulance, your employer presumably would have knowledge of that accident because you've been taken out of there in an ambulance. But don't ever assume it. Put that in writing. Make sure it's a text or an email or somebody is informing them on your behalf if you're unable. The second thing is the claim must be filed with the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation within 1 year of your injury date. Okay? Very important. There are people who rock along and say, oh, well, I told my employer within 30 days I got hurt, and they just assume that that claim was properly filed with the State Board of Workers' Compensation within 1 year. And there are some people who have been, unfortunately, surprised by the fact that it was never properly filed. Did somebody forget to file it? Did somebody forget to file it on purpose? Why wasn't it filed? Why isn't there a claim at the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation? Now, if you call my office and your claim has happened within the year and before that year has passed, of course we're going to get the thing filed immediately and make sure your statute has been properly filed, has been properly met, and your claim is timely filed. If you are questioning right now, I got hurt a month ago, I told my employer, did they file the claim? Call the Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation. Know the name of your employer. Know the date of your injury, know your name, and find out if the claim has been properly filed. If it has not, please give me a call. We'll make sure that we can get a claim filed for you timely. You could also ask the person you're talking to at the State Board of Workers' Compensation to send you paperwork, and if you want to fill that out on your own, you can. I would not advise it, however, because it's rather technical, and if you need help, give us a call and we will help you through it and try to help you with your claim. You can reach me at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jody, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia Workers' Compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.